Hey guys, welcome to Homesteading with Ken. I'm going to show you how I start my day out over here on the property. I started out by picking up some of this trash, and then I start cutting it, removing the limbs off these trees and getting the logs out of the way and stuff. Anyway, I just wanted to show you. So it's a little different, but when you buy land like this, it's always going to be some kind of sweat equity into it. I didn't pay that much for this land, but it's sweat equity. So anyway, I'm gonna fill this second bag, and then I'm gonna haul it to the top. I do have a question for you. What kind of stuff is this? Do y'all know? If you do, leave your comments below and let me know. I don't know if that's beneficial or not for you. Okay, I want to show you how to gas up and fuel up this Craftsman chainsaw. It's a 46cc 20-inch. I just got it not long ago as soon as I started working on this property because I needed a chainsaw. So you got to turn it over on the side. Try to get it a little level. Can you see that? And this is where your gas goes. All right. And you gotta be careful with this saw and the gas. You can't tighten this down too much all the way to crank it down because it'll cut the air out off your gas and it won't crank because it can't get gas. So this is the gas mixture with the oil in this can. Then you just fill it up. Ooh. It went $15 worth of gas. You try not to do that. Because what it does, if you ain't got a level setting like that, this is your on and off switch. So all that gas is going to run over that if you got it tilted. And eventually it'll eat these little, get in there and eat these little wires up. And then later on you'll have issues. I don't like that button there because I'll be sawing and sometimes my finger hits the off switch and it cuts it off, which I think that they should have put it somewhere else. I don't know, but I guess that's a safety feature. So we try not to tighten that down. Your chain bar oil goes right here on this side. Can you see it? No. All right, I'll have to move the saw a little bit. All right, now can you see it? All right, perfect. So you always got to add that oil because these chains are running so fast across this bar, it's got to be slick. See all that oil on there? That's a good thing. You know, it'll burn your chain up if you don't run oil in it while it's cutting the tree. So you got to be real careful with that. Make sure that you always got oil in there. You check that more frequently than you do the gas. Gas you can run out. Oh, you better not run out. You have big issues. So then you just take it like that. Woo. And it's okay if you overspill it because it's going to go on that bar anyway. Now that is a good place to put that. I really like this saw. It runs good. Just don't ever flood them. You ever flood them? Oh my gracious. You'll never get them to crank. Hey everybody, I'm back. I just wanted to give you an update on today's progress. It's getting late, so it's time to knock. Anyway, let's go for it. If you're looking right there, you can see I got trees down. Okay, that's okay, but if you remember right here, I had all them weeds and stuff and a lot of trees down, and even right here. Can y'all see that? I'm trying to keep it level, but it's hard. Anyway, right here I had a lot of trees down. So you wonder what I did with it. Well, I'll be glad to show you. It's all behind me. I got it piled up so high. I've got to make a new pile because it's over my head right now, way over my head. So anyway, a few safety tips. if you're working in like the woods and stuff, cutting down trees, cutting limbs, always wear a long sleeve shirt and some gloves, because the limbs and stuff will stab you and cut you, and be careful with the saw. Use them, responsibly. And if you want to do this, I'm going to be honest with you, it's real hard work. So anyway, that was the progress today. Remember, I'm only one man, but we're getting it little by little. And I may have a surprise for you on somewhere around 1st of February. I may have a guest. I'm not sure yet, but anyway, that's the progress. God bless you, and peace out.